Hi everyone, Cheryl here today. And today I have a project share that I wanted to share with you all. So if you had seen my video on the hexagon box, I had done the medium one and I did do a video on that. I'll link it below for you if you haven't seen that. Super fun boxes to make. I absolutely love making these. So this is the medium. This is the large, and this one's the small. The small one, I did make 10 of those. Those are going to be little favors, and they're going to hold some Italian Toto cookies that I make. And I'm going to put them in there, and they'll be on my table setting along with something else that I made. But anyway, so let's go ahead and get started. So the middle one is large, and that one measures 6.5 wide by 4 inches high. And this one is the one that I just designed or made for the Robin's Nest Creative. I'm using all the little dewdrops. I used them as little eggs, and I thought it would be super fun to have them as little eggs on the bottom. And then, you know, I did the fence and decorated. And the little chick is from Cadoodlebug Designs. So this was super fun to make. So I did use Really Reasonable ribbon to do my bows and then just stamp the sentiment, and then some sateen from Really Reasonable ribbon as well to close it. So it opens up and the little gift inside I made. And so this is what it's holding. And so this is going to be one of the gifts for my luncheon. And so these are little coasters I made. I did them in the hoop on my sewing machine. And so they were super fun. So a set of 4 of these is the little gift. And then it just kind of closes. I kind of had to mush it, all the paper. So I have to bring it down kind of. And so it's kind of like that. And then I just stick that inside. They fit perfect. So I kind of want the paper to pop out the top. So that's this large one. And I was thinking of designing a larger one because I have a larger gift that I need. There's 2 of them that I need a little box for, but I don't know that I'm going to have time to do that. So then you just tie it closed. I figured I didn't want to do the fancy bow right here because a lot of people don't want to mess with them when they receive a gift, you know, tying a bow. So it really doesn't even matter if they just tie it and don't do a bow because this is off to the side and so it won't matter. But the bows are right here and they're hot glued on. And so that's the large one. Again, that one's 6.5 inches wide by 4 inches high. Let's go to the little one. This one's going to be on my kitchen, on the table setting that I'm doing. And so this one measures 3 5/8 wide and then 3 3/4 high. So it's super cute. And so I just did the same thing, did a little fence and then punched out a little image. And so that's the small one. I made 10 of these. So now the next one I did do is the medium. This is the one I have a video on right now. And if you'd like to see it, I'll go ahead and put the link below for you and you can watch the video. They are so much fun to make and you'll be super addicted to making them. So this one here is the medium. It's 4 3/4 wide by 4 inches high. And then I hot glued the Easter greetings on the bow, and this one ties closed. On the bottom, I did put a big cutout from Spellbinders and on the inside. And I did do the same thing with this one as well. I put that to kind of cover the bottom. The small one, I did not bother. I made 10 of those, and I wasn't about to even mess with that. But anyway, so that's the box, and I'll put the link again below for you. 4 3/4 wide by 4 inches high on this one. So I do hope you enjoyed my video today on all the Hexagon Milk Carton boxes. You can use them for treats, gift giving, little favors, whatever. They are super fun to make, you guys. So I do hope you enjoyed my video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more videos, please follow, and that way you don't miss anything. And then this week I was super busy, so I didn't post a whole lot of videos. So next week I'll be back with more videos. So have a good day. Thanks for stopping by.